things can go on now with the farming, man. All we need is
one day
irrigation water.
True.
And if government assists with the irrigation water, the right of Salt River from the river. And if we can give it the irrigation water with a flat rate, whole heap of youth that come off of the street and go do little farming.
Wow.
So we are called upon government to look into it. Agriculture Minister, look into it by giving us some water to license farmers around.
One cut up and sell. You can't buy for me, you know, for my own change with a pound.
Eh? I buy so cheap for 5
No, you don't know how much me buy here for your
As small as them, abi?
Small as them right now.
Whoa.
We have a customer need 150 pounds, so
Wow.
we're going to help him out my money. 30th of June 2026. You see my father do it, then me go undercover and do some research.
You see them there right now.
As small as them, abi?
As small as them be them right now. See?
Whoa.
Small as them be them like can't eat.
My God.
Very damn pretty.
Yes, sir?
Small as them be them.
Wow. And the smell of it. A vibrant.
And so much in here.
Great for that chamber.
Baby one this. Come
yeah,
on.
the baby one.
You want nugget?
Yeah, man.
I bet you them will give you the cow give more them. You cut them out them because we don't sell them. Yeah, they will give them one bag will give you them. They cut them and make juice and blend up it.
As tiny as it be. As tiny as it be.
Yeah, just see one red. Let him say on the red. What do you think you on the red? I'm not tasty.
Man!
When you make the next one, when you find the next one, man, when you ready to cut the next one, man, the next small one, you say you don't sell them, so.
So, Melon, that beer, this supposed to have done, you know, you see? This is a crop supposed to a beer out, how much?
The crop supposed to.
Picnic just about the same way.
How old is this?
Not old age.
How old is this crop?
This is a crop about 9, 10. 10 weeks. 10 weeks.
Oh, 10 weeks. 10 weeks crop. So this now, so all of these.
Oh, 8 yard there now.
8 yard.
And these we basically depend on the finishing right now. And we are get whole heap a baby a come up see me. So the quality of these baby one, even though them a come up now, even though the crop will finish, the quality still remains same way?
Yeah, but some of them we would have to just dash
No, probably have to just throw it same way.
Like reaping out. Some people get back here, same way.
Same way.
Just fertilize and get it back. Try one gone and come back.
True.
Very poor.
Wow.
This is one more beer in there. Sell more now. See that? See no dry yet. When this dry, you know it's right.
So what you look on?
This. When it dry.
Oh, when it dry.
If it look like out
Look a curly piece at that.
Yeah.
Mm.
And underneath if it yellow.
So this I gonna left it more for probably how long?
That the melon come bigger.
So probably how long you left that one back for? Probably about another week?
A couple days.
Okay.
I'm gone. Into market. I see them, maybe both come out of the side, see that, and them are young, man. You can see them young, see them green.
Mm.
See no dry yet?
Yeah.
All them melon, you saw them big? They're not ready.
Then already.
Don't want a little bit more time.
When do you start harvesting? From planting to harvesting? 9 weeks. That's when them basically you start run through for pick the ripe ones.
Start to reap.
And the stem is the main thing you look for when you go pick a melon. You look for the
See that one there dry?
Ah. And I eat.
But that one are near right. You see me? If it lay low like this.
Oh, the
Yeah,
color
yeah.
also.
Plenty,
Some
yeah.
people knock it. When you knock it, what you listen for?
Jump. A jump song. Try that one. You hear that boss?
Oh wow. So when them fit that's when them bust like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just open. Yeah man. One Chef Bailey.
One and only.
Wow. What's the main crop you specialize in? What's the main crop you specialize in?
Only melon we plant right now.
Oh, only melon.
We plant a couple for the butt.
Melon are the main crop.
Right now.
Come in, man. Nick,
These melons are sugar.
come here.
These melons are sugar.
Put sugar on them. Sugar.
Man,
What's
tell
the name? Sweet now. Sugar Express.
Sugar Express.
But that a long time now. Right
You have
now,
a thing we
right
put
now
on
they're
in
gonna take
sugar.
a liquor.
Sugar Express make it
It
sweet.
suck the sweetness on the leaf and send it back.
What's
like
that?
Melon.
What's that?
Sugar Express.
We then say it,
That's like a thing where you
Thing
where
like
actually.
fertilizer.
Oh.
Come like sugar.
but the name Sugar Express. It's sweet, make them
Okay.
Spray them.
How
Somebody that tell me say-
often you get them done?
10 days after harvest.
10 days after harvest?
10 days before harvest.
Oh, before harvest. Oh, so you spray before you harvest them, you spray that
Then-
on it, and that soak into what the leaf
Yeah,
or the
they
fruit.
suck from the leaf, the sugar, and send back to the vine.
Oh, wow.
That gone about over 2 weeks now since I get that.
Mm.
And I put now.
What's the
But
ideal?
Then come into reaping now, so you can find all the leaf them and everything. Are dead out.
Yeah.
I'm more dry.
Naturally that go happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go
And
reap
to
the melon
reap
now.
off until we walk in it.
Mhm.
Go reap the
And
melon,
reap.
man.
That's why you see stay so the vine damage and all.
Yeah.
These are wild bush. You saw them still? They look like something cucumber. Call
Yeah.
them wild cucumber. And beers on the ground. So.
What's the ideal weather for plant melon?
Best time to plant are now coming down September going back.
So the hotter season.
Yeah, our season in Jamaica,
Mm. We have a warmer climate out here.
warm up there.
Yeah.
But when now, like in the drought where we have here now, you can plant July, August, but you know it's a droughty time.
Yes.
Right? You have to have irrigation water. If you don't have
Have to.
irrigation water, you not go.
The crop them not gonna reach.
Nah, go now. It's burn up. The sun now that burn up anything. The sun right the melon them quicker too.
The sun.
Quick, yeah.
Okay. So it's more ideal for plant them in a warmer.
Now when you have them in the field, in a non time, they become strong. Like when you bite it, you know, feel you bite it, just starve on it.
Oh,
That means it
tell me how that happened.
It overripe.
Oh, so you get a spongy.
Yeah, pass the date.
Oh.
Pass the time way for it. That's why between 75 to 100 days.
Oh.
Eh?
150 pounds. Nika say fi carry it.
You know?
Nika say fi carry no job.
You are selling,
Fi
you
cut
must
it.
know where you are carrying now.
So it's 150 pound chambers.
You are selling, you must know where you are carrying go.
In fact, how tight me have 30 pound harder. That the one the harder that already. And I still can get some more harder.
Boy, when I tell you, no, say a melon time now. If you guys want melon, just reach out. It's for the chambers over this one. If you don't want melon, you can get melon. I tell you, no. And these are sweet.
It's a morning time, people.
Sweet. And he only specializes in melon. So you know, say this him go right through.
Too much, man.
Natural. So these are our younger crops.
Yeah.
But them a come up.
These are the younger melons, alright. You can see them here just reach 4 weeks. You know? And you have young melon almost the size of your fist already.
Just 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the breed of melon are extreme.
The breed?
Yeah, because you have different breed of melon.
And this breed is what? Extreme?
Extreme, yeah.
Tell me some of the varieties.
Alright, you have varieties like Crimson Sweet, Crimson King. You have a couple more. I can't remember them right now. Alright.
What's one of the best varieties to plant though?
Alright, right now, Extreme take a market. The people are rather Extreme.
What's the difference between that and one and next one? Crimson Sweet.
Crimson Sweet now, them come round. Round like a circle. And then now, the Extreme them come a little bit longer. Like cucumber.
Like cucumber.
Yeah.
Oh. So it's mainly the shape?
Not really the shape, you have a taste.
Oh, the taste also?
Crimson Sweet, as you hear in name, you know, say alright,
sweet.
that's sweet.
Yeah.
But Extreme, right now, Extreme have better texture, better quality, everything. That's one of the main reasons why you take a market so too.
Yeah. The quality is better.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
So, alright. All over here, so
I'm coming.
just reach 4 weeks.
Everything that we're looking at right now.
Yeah.
4
Just
weeks.
reach 4 weeks.
Well, melon they all both under them.
Melon they all both, see. You have another nice young melon that come right there, so.
Oh yeah.
Alright. You see here, so now, you have small melon that come out. And you can catch all the bees. I do them look work. You can catch the bees.
Oh yeah.
Pollute in the morning.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, I want to show you one tree in this way. An experiment tree.
Alright, let's go.
When we eat out our first crop, couple seed drop. And a one tree germinate in a row. And I just say, alright, I run some experiment on it. When I say experiment, I mean like, I test the budding. Like the body. Because then say when the bud, you get larger melon. Instead of its strength, run in a vine and stretch out.
It got into the fruit itself.
Directly in a fruit.
To
so
the
it
fruit.
maximize its size. Yeah, more powerful. So come
Okay.
and go show you the little experiment tree here.
Alright.
Alright, this is an experiment tree. It's just because I never sow the seed there, I'm not sure the age of the tree, but by judging it, the age of the tree they like 7 weeks now. And as I tell you, I'm an experiment tree. So I clip a couple vines and so far I see 2 nice sized fruit. This is one. And I tell you, see this is a tree. I never sow a seed. I just eat the melon and I see it drop here so. And I say alright, I use this like a lab rat You know?
Hold on, what variety is this? The same?
Alright. That I think now. We're not sure how
You're not sure?
breed a melon
Oh,
and job.
okay.
And
Okay.
see there, one nice one come so too. So it's a tree I really come on its own.
Mm.
Yeah.
So if you were to guess,
Alright, if I forget and say what kind of breed, would I feel like say extreme?
yeah, I think it was
Because out
extreme.
of last scrap,
medicine them.
yeah, out of last scrap,
Mm-hmm.
mostly extreme we eat on the farm. I don't think we did get no other breed of melon and eat on the farm.
Yeah.
Unless maybe, just because I'm my father there on the farm, maybe, I don't know if he did have like one or two Crimson Sweet seed that travel with or no other breed and one maybe drop out and pocket or two. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but so far on this side, yeah, we have so nice, so nice small melon.
And these are four
just
weeks, is it?
4 weeks.
Whoa. Just 4 weeks.
Just 4 weeks.
I see tons of bees there go and do them thing.
Yes, not really man put in their work, you know?
Yeah.
All of you see over here, so me one prepare all of here, so. Me one prepare land preparation, making the beds, do my irrigation system, drop out seed, fertilize, grass, everything.
How long ago you started
Alright.
farming melon?
Alright, me start farming melon the 30th of last month. The 30th of, no, not the 30th of last month. The 30th of June.
So it's just recently?
Yeah, the 30th of June 2026.
Where the knowledge come from though? Is your father? Basically.
Really and truly, I see my father do it, then me go undercover and do some research.
For yourself?
Yeah. So me learn what I know now.
True.
Yeah man, so me really go through the internet, make one and two link to couple farmer where I know
True.
to find out more about it. And that's how I learn. Alright. So we're going to start with some harvesting now.
Yeah,
We have a customer need 150 pounds, so
Wow.
we're going to help him out now, man. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright.
So what the first thing you look for when you go pick a
Alright.
melon?
Normally, they would say the yellow underneath it should be yellow, or the vine would have start dry up, as in the tree would have show you say alright, he old enough, in the pan in one you know. So me stop help him. You know? Stop
Yeah.
send nutrients, stop send everything to it.
Yeah. So now it's time for you to pick it.
Yeah. And then the next thing you know, the melon, it's not supposed to be that heavy. It's supposed to, like say for instance, you look on this melon and you say, alright, this melon look like it's about 18 pounds. When you take it up, it's supposed to feel like
18.
about 15 pounds.
Mm.
Yeah, so you know the way the melon well drained and ready for harvest.
So it's supposed to get lighter when it's ready to harvest.
Exactly.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Alright, this is our first one.
What about the sun? Because I was asking your father earlier.
Yeah.
Some people,
Yeah, some-
you know, knock the melon for
You
ear a
can
certain
knock
sound.
it, test it. If it's sound, like it hollow.
Like
Mm. Oh, a hollow.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a hollow sound you sound for.
this sound good.
So, test the hollow sound, you hear it,
Mm.
you know?
Yeah. But the ideal way where you normally check as a melon farmer is to look on the vine.
Yes.
Check the vine and also under it that yellow.
That yellow.
Yeah.
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 You see me now, what me really believe in is the weight. The
Mm.
weight and the sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, me believe in the weight and the sound.
True.
Once the melon too heavy,
Yeah.
it fit. Because it's when the melon too heavy, it has in too much water.
Too much water.
Yes, and it's
True.
supposed to drain.
True. True.
Not because of watermelon, it go full of water.
Yeah.
More drain, more sweet, I be.
More sweeter. And even at harvesting time, you know, melon, you know, start reap melon at when I'm reach how much again? 8 weeks?
Alright, you see, it all depends upon the temperature, climate. Because you see, watermelon really need more sunlight, like
More sunlight.
photosynthesis.
Yeah.
That's one of the most important thing about watermelon, sunlight. So you
Sunlight.
see, if it have enough sunlight, it will ripe faster than the time we expect it to ripe.
But what's the ideal time?
Alright, the ideal time is 75 days to 100 days. Yeah.
Nice. But even that ideal time that the melon, you know, get the melon them for harvest. Say yeah, at that time them ready for harvest. You kinda walk through and some while harvesting and some still might not ready though. So
Yes.
it's a whole process same way if you go through and feel. It's a whole important process to make sure you feel it properly, knock it properly.
Yes. So mine not ready. But alright, I'm tell you. For me, what I do, I say my plant out and I reach up to 80 to 85 days. You just go through and you harvest everything.
Yeah. And you know at that time probably 95% of everything.
Yeah, 95%,
Yeah.
96%.
Everything
most likely.
ready.
You
Yeah.
understand?
True.
So you see, a little small one them. Maybe we can find buyer with blend juice. We would take a small one them for a lower price. You understand? And
Sure.
then the next thing there is this part, which part the budding coming important, very important, because you see on your body, you stop it from run and bear more melon. You understand? When you clip it.
Okay. So meaning after that full harvest we get it now beer again.
Yes, so it stop beer.
It stop.
So for instance, you push out three fruit on the stem here, you clip the stem. So his stem stop grow right there, so you know stretch out to go beer no more. You understand?
So you just know say I just a batch that you work
really
with.
and truly, melon tree never stop beer.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
So once you leave it, it go continuously give you
You
fruit.
have small melon right now, this size. You have 4 weeks size melon, 3 week size melon right now upon. And this
In the ready harvest farm right now.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Wow. Amazing. So once you do what you're supposed to do, like that, it's good just like continuously just giving you your fruit.
Yeah, man.
But does it change the quality though of those upcoming fruits? You think it changed the quality the upcoming fruits, the younger fruits?
No.
You still gonna get that perfect sweet quality.
But here what's the thing about it now? You see because of the time period we are work with. So maybe you would want to get the land to start prepare back to put in a better crop.
Better crop.
So
Oh
you
yeah.
see time we would harvest out all of the ready melon them, and then you have to go back and wait for some smaller ones to get ready. It doesn't make any sense.
True.
So you would have to just clean out your field, prepare it back to put in fresh crop.
True.
Because this thing is a gamble, you know. It's a big gamble.
Yeah.
You can put in your all and not get nothing out of it, nothing at all. So you
Wow.
see when you put in the work, when you get back out of it, you have to appreciate it. Because
True.
you don't must get nothing at all. Understand?
Real.
So as fast as you can move with everything,
Better.
That's how it sound.
Yeah, man.
When cut up and sell.
Yes,
You can't buy from me, you know, for my own at £300.
Eh, I buy it so cheap for 5
No, you don't know how much me buy your farm for your rat. You don't know how much me buy farm. Now if you drive to town.
Cheers.
Can scale come for me now?
You can feel that one there heavy though. Yeah, man.
Supposed to reach.
Well, it's a yellow. Well, right.
What you do?
Alright. See we enemy them here in the farm. Biggest enemy them.
Yeah.
We call
Cutting
this
worm.
cutting worm.
Yeah, what them do? Them cut the stem from underneath the soil. So them go in the soil and come up on the stem from underneath and cut it. And
Wow.
when you get to find out, it's just because you cut from underneath.
Maya again.
When you get to find out, it's late, it cut already.
But at what age them start? Them start affect.
Alright.
Them would start affect the plant.
2 weeks old, from 1 week old to 2 weeks old. So you have bigger ones. The bigger ones them now, them cut down the tree at a older age, said we. Them small one of them can only damage small tree and small melons. So the bigger ones them damage bigger trees, older trees and bigger melons.
What's the solution for those though?
Alright. Insecticide.
Yeah.
You have an insecticide what they call First Strike. F-R-E strike. S-T-R-I-K-E. You understand? Yeah, First Strike. Best remedy.
Best remedy.
Yeah. Three of the most important things when you're doing farming is insecticide, water, and fertilizing on time.
On time. Yeah. I like how you put it that way. Not just fertilizing, but fertilizing on time. And those three are a must.
Yes. Alright. Here's the first strike. As you can see, it has a picture of the cutting worm on it.
Oh.
So that shows you that it's directly for cutting worms. Alright? And this take up to 48 hours to work. Like the insect
start kill for early.
Bite it, the insect like beat the tree, and then 48 hours after it kills them. Alright. You have another one. This is Caprid. CAPRID, Caprid 20 SL insecticide. One of the best. You guys can try it and let me know about it.
Are these just mainly for melon or
no?
Different crops.
You can use it for tomatoes, hot peppers,
as well.
Sweet peppers. Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Different one.
True. Differently from these insecticides, right? That you guys purchase. Are there any other remedies natural remedies where you know of anybody where use like things where they mix up for themselves? If you say, hey, this can help too.
Let's see them advertise that people say mix it. Me never really mix out. Never really. Me just buy it from the agriculture store.
Yeah. No man, not these me talking, not these in the bottom. I mean like natural stuff. You know, some people that mix them garlic or them mix up.
Me never.
Yeah.
Never really.
Never. Yeah. True. You think those work though?
Yeah?
You think those work?
Well, people tell me say work, you know. People tell me say work.
The natural remedies.
People tell me say work. But we have to get the good because I like try to kind of cost less.
True.
Yes, it costs less.
Yeah, we would call it cost less.
You know why we're good for throw on your tree root? Cinnamon powder. Once you throw cinnamon powder around anything you plant, it kill all insect. You never know that?
You think so?
Yeah, man. I don't think so. I know. Me use it.
All insect?
Yeah.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamon powder kill anything in your garden.
True.
When I water this what happen.
So this?
The water rot it and then it bursts, good. That's water cause that.
So it's overripe
It sits
plus
in
and the water.
Right, you know?
Yeah, man.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
How often does this happen though? Like them get overripe and spoil like this?
If it is in water and you don't realize that the melon itself lay down in the water.
Yeah.
You know? And you have hard rain, that's what you get. Like you have flood rain.
So that's one of the things I want to fear.
We fear rain when you have the rain enough on the
too
flooded
much.
land. But like this land, we don't have that problem.
Yeah.
Because
True.
you see a sand, right?
Yeah.
That's a well me digging up to get my own water.
Oh.
That's a well.
That's a well?
That's a well me dig. Right?
Oh.
So because we don't have the well, now give me no water. We have to then source water. The water is the biggest problem.
Okay.
Right? You have the irrigation water. If you come from that way, where you see the river and the roadside.
Yeah.
That's the best water. That's water cane. All the cane is stuff. So from there now, we pump the water and full our tank and suffice.
Supply, everything gets supplied.
Yeah, buy it at cheap rate, so it can help you.
Nice.
But the greatest thing is a well right now.
True.
So we are trying to source a well where we can pump our water from.
Nice.
These are melon we eat and the seed throw away and then grow. See them there? Melon they right through on them. See melon there? See melon there?
Yeah. Oh.
And we eat and throw them away. See melon over there?
Wow.
See melon over there? Eat and throw away and this beer melon.
This beer. So the land itself is super rich.
The land itself is an old cane land, so it's good. Plant in it, you don't need much water.
Looking at the land though.
See?
You notice?
Look. You see this type of soil?
Yeah.
Free.
And coal, me see coal in the
Coal,
ground too.
yeah,
So
coal
coal skill usually there.
Right. So
They about.
anything you in vine you put in the coal,
Yeah.
production.
Gone.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So you see, this land we not do nothing to the land.
Yeah.
Because all cane land well for fertilizer and
True.
it's good.
True.
They just want plant.
True.
Fancy for animal, because animal they enough in there.
Yeah.
Wild hog.
Yeah. True.
And wild hog destroy you from bad.
Why like they in these areas also?
Right, that's what I see 8 one morning. 8 of them.
As in the black wild like them?
Right now if you look over there, see where they can roll last night in the mud.
Whoa.
Yeah man. They come over here one night. One night I come and see the first digging up with them out, but then I come back. We come wait upon them the night, but then I come back.
How you operate around them though? Knowing that you can't really keep them out like that, you know.
Proper fencing.
But the fencing keep them out
These are
to
agwire,
an
yeah,
extent.
man. These are agwire. Then I come treat so easy.
Mm.
Then come treat them we stuck in it.
Oh. So when you do catch them, do you want to eat them?
Yeah.
Oh.
People want them, the big man then come shoot them.
Whoa.
Yeah, the big man then red meat, the big man
Wow.
then come shoot them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful tour at the farm, at the melon farm here in Clarendon. Beautiful place, pretty nice weather in the early morning. Yeah, man.
When you go to them apart, you have to just bark like dog.
To keep them away.
And when you bark, then you starry them gone.
Them gone.
Because they know the dog will go after them.
True.
If I hear dog, ho.
Yeah, man.
Then go up heads and start, get up. Then I come there. We never have no problem with them. As we say, you have to just fence the land good.
Just fence it properly.
Everybody have to live.
True.
A man having two good, a little fence a place good.
True.
But you know, put it at that weight. If I eat and quarter, I eat.
So you weigh them single, and then you add everything after.
You can't wait all together. We are going to need a bigger scale.
You need a way bigger scale.
You turn over. I take from one side.
It's a father chambers, them a got a ton. Much you sell them per pound?
No man, you can't know the price yet till when you reach a town.
Much you sell them for when you reach town?
A town you will see.
When you reach a town, much you sell them for?
You want to buy from me a town?
350 a ton right now, yeah.
350 per pound?
That, yeah. That
in the market for.
That cheap?
No man, if in the market you get it cheap. But you see where you live,
Big man.
Yeah.
uptown,
Yeah, man.
put in price there. See next one on it. That's you.
Yeah man.
Uptown.
So 350, is that a good price in a Kingston?
Eh?
Is that a good price in Kingston?
In downtown.
Mm.
Downtown cheap.
Mm.
You get downtown, you get 300. Right now, coronation anyway.
Yeah.
But you see, where you live uptown where people have to go travel to go get tea and them the people you know have it.
How much is the blue?
250 you good right now, because melon
The
price
black a
down.
pound.
Yeah. Yeah man, cause that. They sell it for 250.
15 and all.
One thing, yeah.
What am I telling you for barrel so high? Why you lift the barrel too so high?
Me not tall on you. You tall on me? Don't feel bend me back. Me not tall on you boy. I went home there, land. Eh? You land it? Eh?
Yeah, father chambers.
Fuck lad, see me way up so.
Yeah, man. Straight at town. How much pound is this in total?
How much in total?
172 pound. 172 pounds. Yeah, melon. And these are sweet melon, sweet watermelon, may I tell you now. I'm going to taste one little tiny one, and may I tell you now, sugar, crutch throat. But that's the vibe here in Clarendon. Beautiful vibes. Beautiful people. Eh? Mitchelltown.
Mitchelltown.
Yeah, man, Mitchelltown. So if people in want melon, how them reach out to your father chambers?
Put the number, man.
Yeah, so if they want melon in a Kingston, then can just link you.
Yeah man, coming in Kingston with it.
Yeah. Alright.
200 a pound.
Alright.
Right at Bay Farm Road, you can get it cut. 21 Bay Farm Road.
Alright.
Call 430-7632.
Let's go and get sweet melon.
If you want cut one, you can get cut one. If you want a whole one, you can get it. If you want 100 pound, you can get it. Just
Alright.
call and harder before.
Nice. And them just come pick it up. Yeah,
Yeah,
can
man.
just come feed on the farm for them.
Yeah,
Right here in the farm.
Any
Right
amount
over there,
you
sir.
want. Any amount.
Yeah, man.
100 pound, 200, 1,000 pound, you can get it.
If you want a couple pound of watermelon, like a 5,000 pound, reach out to me. The number is 1658 213 6385.
Yeah man, entrance to Mitchelltown, coming from Lioneltown. £22, you know.
We are, eh?
And it bust it 22.
Eh?
The scale.
Eh.
It's a £22 scale. But watch, the bus is gone over. Look, watch it. Let it go.
My God.
Gone over 1 more pound. That's
No, 1 more pound. From 22 to this, so to this, so.
And 1 more pound gone on.
No, man.
23 that.
Oh, this is one, man. See where 22 stop here, so.
Yes, and it start again.
It's 0.
And
Then
it
where
start.
space between here so far? No.
So much that way.
Got over 2 more pounds.
It
So
gone-
much that way.
It gone over more than 2 more pounds.
Man, oh, more than.
It take you more weight
22
to push the
pound
scale past
22
the
pound. Now
limit.
they're going past the 22.
When you reach the limit, it take you more weight. So if 1 pound push you, if 1 pound push you 1 pound. You see, if you push you 1 pound,
Yeah,
from
but
here, so
when you
here,
see
so,
melon there,
it'll take you
all the guys
more
sit me here,
from here, so if you push it go there.
Push it go there,
So
so.
right now, this melon here look on at least 25 pounds.
Wow.
At least 25.
All the car sink.
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Me here go.
Oh, that's your man.
At least
Watch
25.
out.
This one that.
My God, man.
I make me
That one
bigger
the
than
big
that.
too.
You're big on that. What's the heaviest melon ever take up? One. Well, like
28,
one.
30. Bigger than that, yeah.
Wow.
And these melon can go up to 48 pounds. Extreme. That's the name of the melon. The seed.
Extreme.
That's when I have no pack when I show it. Yeah, man. Things can go on now with the farming, man. All we need is
One day.
irrigation water.
True.
And if government assists we, the irrigation water, the right of Salt River from the river. And if we can give it the irrigation water with a flat rate, whole heap of youth that come off of the street and go do little farming.
Wow.
So we are called upon government to look into it. Agriculture minister, look into it by giving us some water to license farmers around here.
Wow.
So we can try it.
So the irrigation system, that's one of the that's that are the core.
That's the main problem around here right now, water.
Yeah, the core of the issue.
Water. We have to buy water right now from truck water. We do little right now. So we can't do much. What would I do?
True.
And more people that do but cannot afford to buy the
Can't
water.
afford.
Right? Because you have to fence the land from animal and all that. So
Yeah.
it costs. You understand?
True.
So if we can get the land assist us, the sugar assist us with the land, you understand? We can do something.